Have you ever wondered if it's really possible to make money online? Today, we dive deep into the digital world of earning potential. From freelancing to passive income and selling products, there are countless ways to earn money online. Let's explore each method. Freelancing has become a popular way to earn online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers to clients. Skills in demand include writing, graphic design, and programming. Passive income is the dream for many. Affiliate marketing, blogging, and creating online courses can generate money while you sleep. Selling products online can be done through drop shipping, print-on-demand services, or even your own e-commerce store. Understanding the basics is crucial. Your online presence and personal brand can make or break your success. It's essential to establish a professional and relatable image. Not all opportunities are legitimate. Be cautious and look for red flags to avoid getting scammed in the process of making money online. Let's share some inspiring real-life success stories of ordinary people who have turned their online ventures into thriving businesses. While earning money online is attainable, it comes with its own set of challenges, including competition, time management, and consistency. In conclusion, set realistic goals and maintain a positive mindset. Earning money online is possible, but it requires dedication and the right approach.